In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a seat in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're managing a workspace and need to bring in another teammate, this walkthrough will help you send an invite and assign the right role in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Base44 account and go to your Workspace area. This is where you manage your team, settings, and access permissions. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the Invite Members option and click it. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the Workspace area first, and then you'll also see an Invite Members button in the top right corner. Click Invite Members again from the top right to continue. This will open the member invitation options. Now select Invite by email. This is the method you'll use when you want to add a specific person directly to your Base44 workspace. After that, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email is spelled correctly, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, choose the role you want to assign to that member. This is an important step because the role controls what that person can access inside the workspace. Depending on your setup, you may want to give them admin access, editor access, or a more limited role based on what they need to do. Once the email and role are set, review everything one more time to make sure it looks correct. After that, click Invite. Base44 will send the invitation to that email address, and the new member will be added to your workspace once they accept it. And that's it. You've now added a seat in Base44 by inviting a new member through email and assigning the correct role. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide.